So we're back from our busy morning at the market in Pezenas, and as promised I'm going to show you how to make the classic French dish of Moules Marinieres. In fact, I'd go as far as to say that it's a staple on a lot of bistro menus in France. And what I love about it most is the fact that it's super easy and really tasty. So let's crack on. So the first thing that we need for this dish is our kilogram of mussels. This is what I would say is probably enough for 2 people. So obviously if you're making it for a few more, you need to double or triple your quantity. These I have washed in the sink and I have removed the beard. So to do this, you've got a beard and you just have to sort of pull it till it's removed. And I've discarded any damaged or opened oysters. Then I need about 3 cloves of garlic. I mean, these are monster cloves and I like mine quite garlicky, so I've actually taken 3. Then we need a couple of stalks of celery. These I will just top and tail, and then I'm going to finely chop them. And a really good thing is, don't throw the tops away. I just shove mine straight into a freezer in a bag, and then when I'm making a stock, they get put into the stock at a later stage. About 200 mils of cream and a bit of parsley, which I'll chop to garnish, and then a bottle of dry white wine. Well, not the whole bottle actually, just about 500 mils, and that's going to leave just enough for a glass for me. So I've prepped and chopped and got everything ready to go into the pot. Celery's been finely chopped. I've chopped some garlic and chopped some parsley ready to garnish at the end of the dish, and we better get cracking. Let's get cooking. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to our pot, and I'm just going to sweat off the celery, and when that has been sweated off a little, I will add the garlic. Now we're going to add some garlic. We don't want the garlic cooking for too long because there's nothing worse than burnt garlic. So it honestly probably needs a minute or 2, but keep an eye on it. So the next thing I add are the mussels, the moules. Just give it a quick stir. As you can see, it's releasing all of the salty water. Now I'm going to add a really good glug of white wine. So add the cream. Now a lot of classic dishes of Moules Marinieres don't actually have the cream, but I have a little bit of cream added. And I'm now going to close the dish and just let it steam off for a couple of minutes. Now the big thing about cooking moules is you don't want to overcook it. There's nothing worse than an overcooked oyster. It goes kind of dry and crumbly. So keep an eye on your on your mussels, definitely not oysters. As soon as they're all open, get them off the heat, and they're almost ready to eat. And these are still got a few more minutes to go. So I'll close the lid again and turn up the temperature a little bit. Okay, there we go. As you can see, they're all open and ready to go. I'm just going to garnish this with a little bit of chopped parsley and the obligatory slices of baguette so that we can mop up all of this gorgeous sauce at the end. Voila, dinner is served. If you want to hear more from me, hit the subscribe button below, and the full recipe and all the details will be in a link in the comments. Cheers guys, until next time.